Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So there aren't too many of us at the farmer's market today, just 3 vendors, but I got set up with my table, I have my special order, and I'm ready to go. Well, it's only 10 and I'm already back home from the market. So the storms did start rolling in. It started just raining and there were only 3 of us up there. So we decided, hey, like I'd already sold 3 of my $20 bouquets and all but 1 of my $10 bouquets. It's funny how your gut just tells you sometimes. I'm so glad I didn't make 10 of them. I only made 5 of them. So I did bring 3 bouquets home with me, but that's okay. The first bouquet to go was number 4. And then number 5. And then number 1. 1. So number 4 was really pretty. That was my pick of the week and it was gone first, so that's awesome. And then the brown sunflowers were really pretty too, and they went. And then I think number 1 would have been my favorite, except for it was like my favorite design last week, and because it was my favorite last week, I made another one this week, so it went as well. And then I did sell 4 of my $10 bouquets and packed it up, so not bad in 2 hours time. It's not raining right now, but it was raining when I packed up, so everything was muddy and everything is wet. My tent is drying out in my garage, and I was going to mow and weed eat and do things for the garden club coming on tomorrow, but I don't think that's gonna happen because it just shows a slew of storms coming in. It is what it is. I still say that's a successful day in 2 hours, and I did have the pickup for that special order bouquet, so that was a really big one. So I had a good day. So it's been a pretty productive day. Got out there and got it mowed, got it weed eated. My dad got the rest of the farm mowed and weed eated, I think. So everything is mowed. It all looks really nice. There's some monarchs floating through, and that's pretty much what I did. I didn't harvest anything because I thought the garden club was coming out today, but it is supposed to rain when they were coming out, so we postponed it to next Sunday. So tomorrow morning I'll have a ton of harvesting to do. Oh wow, look at my Lizzy Anthis. They really have come to life again. So pretty. My electric fence is on, so I'm not getting real close, but oh, those are gorgeous. They're not like real tall, but these are tall. And oh my gosh, they look marvelous. I love them. They're so pretty. I need to get out here and pick all of these and get them into some pretty arrangements, or get them into my florist hands for some pretty arrangements. Got all my mini coffee shop bouquets put together. So I think that's it. I think I'm gonna take these in with me and call it a day and get up and deliver these bright and early and get out here and cut some flowers. I hope everybody has a great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.